students, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Physics Insight. Today in this video we are going to observe the VI characteristics for the 40 cm long Magnin wire, and hence we will evaluate the resistance per unit length for the same. So without wasting our time students, let's proceed for the experiment. In this experiment, we will use battery illuminator as a source of DC current, an ammeter, a voltmeter, a rheostat, a one-way key, and a material whose resistance is to be determined. This is the circuit diagram according to which we will connect all these equipments. We will use thread insulated wires to connect all these equipments. Now we will connect the positive of battery illuminator with the positive terminal of ammeter using thread insulated wire. Now the negative terminal of ammeter is connected with the positive terminal of voltmeter. Now negative terminal of battery illuminator is connected with the one terminal of key. And the other terminal of key is connected with the negative terminal of voltmeter using rheostat. We are connecting this black box in parallel with the voltmeter whose resistance is to be determined. It has 40 cm of Magnin wire connected in it. You can directly connect 40 cm of Magnin wire in open without using this black cover. In that case, the connections will appear like this. Now your circuit is ready to work. Let's test it. Just switch the battery illuminator on and try to move this knob over the rheostat. You can clearly see that ammeter gives you some deflection corresponding to the deflection in voltmeter. You can clearly see this. Before you start taking the readings, we will evaluate the least count of ammeter and voltmeter. This is the ammeter for which you are going to evaluate the least count. See, between 0 and 0.2 there exist 10 divisions, which means 10 small divisions corresponds to 0.2 amperes. Now, one division is equivalent to 0.2 upon 10 is equals to 0.02 amperes. Now, this 0.02 amperes is the least count of ammeter. Means your lowest value which you can determine using ammeter is 0.02 amperes. Similarly, the least count of voltmeter comes out to be 0.05 volt. After evaluating the least count, now let's start taking the readings. Now adjust the rheostat to pass low current and note down the deflection in ammeter and voltmeter. take at least 6 to 7 readings by adjusting the amount of current from rheostat. Following are the readings which we have observed. By applying Ohm's law, we have evaluated the resistance in each case. For the observed reading in the observation table, we have plotted this graph which represents the VI characteristics for the 40 cm long Magnin wire. By evaluating the slope of this graph, we get the value of resistance experimentally. This shows that the Ohm's law has been verified. Now, in order to evaluate the resistance per unit length, we will divide the resistance obtained by the length of Magnin wire. Hence, this is the evaluated value of resistance per unit length. I hope this video is clear to you and you all liked the video. So students, keep supporting us by liking and sharing our content. Do not forget to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the future notifications of our videos.